Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I have been traveling and dealing with some life changes, but I am back. Today I will be doing a tutorial on this look here. It is a sunset golden vibe, I'm guessing. If you want to see this video, please keep on watching. Also hit the subscribe button and the like button. And just as a heads up, there is a lot of new products in this video, so if you want to see how they go on, you'll see it today. Thank you guys. Alright guys, to start off this look, I'm going to go ahead and prime the eyes with the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock. Alright guys, for today's look, I'm going to go ahead and use the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette. It has 42 colors. Unfortunately, this palette does not have shade names, but I am going to start off with that light brown shade there. I'm going to go ahead and put that shade into the crease and start this off on the lids. And I'm going to go ahead and build it up. Now I'm going to go into the light orange shade there, and I'm going to put it on the outer part of my original brown shade, just to clean up the outer parts of that. Now I'm going to dip into the deeper orange, and I'm going to put that right below my original crease color, and I'm going to build that up. Now I'm going to take the Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Copper Foil, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the lids. For a primer today, I'm going to go ahead with the Touch in Soul Pore primer, and I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the face. I got this from my BoxyCharm last month, and I have been loving it. Now I'm going to go ahead into the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. This foundation has been recreated from the original Face Tape Foundation, which was a total flop. But I must say, this foundation is a game changer. It is way better than the past, and I love that they actually came out with a full range for every skin complexion. So this was actually exciting. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my under eyes with the e.l.f. Under Eye Primer. I was supposed to use this on my last video. I forgot to, so here we are again. And for concealer today, I'm going to use the Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I don't know how I feel about this yet. It was very drying. Maybe there's other ways I can try it. I will go ahead and let you know how I feel in a future video. As of right now, it is not my favorite. And to set the under eyes, I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade Butter. I absolutely love this powder. It is very finely milled. Makes the under eyes look absolutely flawless. And then to set the entire face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Golden Door. For contouring today, I'm going to go ahead and use my Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in Sunkissed, which is shade Tude. Guys, I love this powder. It is very matte. It has a great undertone, and it is absolutely beautiful for contouring. Also for bronzing up the skin if you choose to. To add a little warmth to my skin, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar Bronze B in the shade Bronze Mannequin, shade 113. I wanted to warm up the skin, and I also just wanted to give this a try, considering that I got it in my BoxyCharm last month. For a blush today, I'm going to go in with my Jouer Bouquet d'Amour 6-shade blush palette. And the shade I used today was Treasure Me. It is very orange, but I felt like it went with this look absolutely beautifully, and it blends beautifully. And then to finish up this look, I'm going to go ahead and use that more corally color to line my under eyes and put that look together. Now to set the powder all over my face, I go into my mirror with this new spray. And for highlighter today, I'm going to go into the Revolution highlighter palette, Lustrous Light Warm. I use the first shade. It doesn't have a name. Sorry about that. I also go into this palette and use it for my inner corners and to highlight my brow bone. To finish off the eyes, I go ahead and curl my lashes, and then I dip into the Better Than Sex mascara. I got this in my BoxyCharm last month as well. I have tried this a year ago and I hated it. Maybe it was the hype around it, but now that I've given it its fair shot, I actually love this mascara. Now to finish the face, I go into my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I go ahead and use it for the buffing, just to put everything together and blend everything together. And then to set my face, I go ahead and use my Kat Von D setting powder. And for lips today, I use the Morphe lip gloss that I got in my holiday collection. It is very golden / orange. The shade name is Mind Reader, and I love it. Alright guys, well this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up.